What are some of the powers of a welder having an online business? Money, travel, time. You have more time to do more things. You can travel to be able to enjoy life, and you can be able to have more money. Now, being just self-employed only and not having an online business, you have money, but you don't necessarily have time to go do other stuff because you got to work all the time, and then you don't have the gift to just travel like you want to because you got to work all the time. And if you working, you making money. If you just got a 9 to 5, you working, and then so you don't have time to travel. You don't have the money to travel because you got to pay bills and stay afloat. You see what I'm saying? So the benefit of having an online business is you can actually make money while you're sleeping. So once you get your services up or your products up and everything tailored, because it doesn't cost a lot, you know, $500 can get you a legit website. So and they even go cheaper than that. But I'm just saying, at a $500 budget, you can really get you a nice one, honestly. So just think outside the box, work on some products, work on some services, and come up with you some type of online business. If it's t-shirts, if it's some type of anything, whatever you got, put it out there. You got an idea, and as you go, you can always get it better. You know what I'm saying? You can always improve your product. But if you just sit around and never put it out there, you can never get the product off the ground. Hold on.